Latest Facebook marketing strategies for local businesses. Latest Facebook marketing is designed with brands and businesses of all sizes and all niches. But you'd be surprised to know how local businesses can benefit from a well-run Facebook marketing campaign. We'd like to dedicate this lesson to teaching local business owners and marketers running campaigns for local businesses the best Facebook marketing strategies to help them increase local awareness, nationwide awareness, increase sales, and improved in-store traffic. Build a collection of reviews for your page. If you run a local business, you are well aware that positive word of mouth is a powerful marketing tool that works every time. The online equivalent of word of mouth are customer reviews, and they're the best way to build social proof that actually generates more customers and more sales. What you have to do then is to build a collection of reviews to showcase on your Facebook page. You can do this by encouraging customers to leave a comment about their customer experience on your page, or by adding a Facebook review. Additionally, you can take screenshots of reviews from other sites such as Yelp or Google and to create an album to upload these reviews. Create events. Local businesses have to always run in-store events to stay on top of the mind among local customers. With Facebook, it gets easier to raise awareness about your in-store events because you can promote your events on your page. When you create an event on Facebook, you can even send invites and reminders so no one has an excuse to miss it out. To create an event on Facebook, you simply have to click on the Event tab in the Create section of your Facebook page. Curate local content. Building a presence for a local business on Facebook, or anywhere else online for that matter, can be brutally difficult because your audience is likely to be only the people that buy on your store or that get services from your business. So if you want to encourage more people to like the Facebook page for your local business, you have to post content that is other than your promotions and staff picks. You have to post interesting content that piques the interest of local customers, and the best way to do that is by curating content from local sources. When local businesses do this, their number of followers explode like crazy. This is because they become like content feeds that people use to get their local information and news. What you have to do then is to create a list of local content sources, such as local news websites, local job sites, websites for local artists and musicians, as well as websites for places of local interest such as museums, parks, concert venues, and movie theaters. Then, start curating content from them, such as announcements and news, to keep local users glued to your Facebook page. Mention other local businesses and events. Similarly, you can mention other local businesses and events in your publications. When you do this, you allow for cross-promotion, and your business will stay on top of the mind among local business owners, local companies, and local event planners. What you have to do is watch out for upcoming events and announcements from local businesses using your local content sources, and to mention them in your posts when you curate content related to them or promoting by themselves. Tag locations. A smart way to generate local traffic and to make your local business page more discoverable is by tagging locations in your proximity. This will help you because your posts will show on searches for these locations. The strategy here is simple. All you have to do is share information about places of interest near your store or business and within your state, such as parks, monuments, zoos, nature reserves, venues, restaurants, and historical locations. Share information during holidays related to those places or interesting facts and tag them. You're going to be surprised about how much traffic and engagement this strategy generates and about how it can help you to attract customers from afar, such as people visiting your town. Encourage in-store traffic. Lastly, you can encourage in-store visits by promoting offers such as price reductions and limited-time deals on your Facebook page. This strategy works better when you ask the user to show you proof when they visit your store, such as a print coupon.